they're off. Off to a very even start. Toward the outside, Lady Bluebell, Wildcat Sisters also there. Farther out, Kenzie Maria. Toward the inside here, Stormy Scrapper, and right at the rail, Little Santaya scooting up on through, and Little Santaya comes on through to be the leader down the backstretch. Lady Bluebell's right there second. Stormy Scrapper's away in third. Wildcat Sister on the outside fourth. Bright Kylie comes on to be fifth. Mama Jesus and Jones in tight while sixth. Dolly Bonds down at the inside in seventh. Checking out of there, Tuffy M, who's back racing in eighth. Kenzie Maria's all the way back in ninth now. You're a daisy if you do. Circles up on the far outside, second to last. And Truly Judy's at the back. Truly Judy 10 lengths behind the leading Lady Bluebell, whose quarter was 22-4. Plenty of challengers from the get-go. Bright Kylie is there on the outside. Stormy Scrapper giving way a bit toward the inside third, summoned up for a final furlong rally. Little Sentai is out of it. And then it's Wildcat Sister, Mama Jesus and Jones, and Dolly Bonds furlong to go. Stormy Scrappers come back to grab the lead. Bright Kylie with a final try in the final furlong. Dolly Bonds getting on track inside. Stormy Scrapper desperate. Here's Dolly Bonds to get there. Up in the final 20 yards over Stormy Scrapper, Bright Kylie, Mama Jesus and Jones farther back with Wildcat Sister.